USD rallies as US President Trump praises a strong dollar. Guys, quite a change of tune from the US President today. So in the past, remember, this was a big theme throughout 2019. The US President had continually criticized the fact that the dollar was too strong in his opinion. And his justification for this criticism was that basically the dollar being too strong puts US exporters at a disadvantage, because obviously when a currency is more expensive, it means that buying products from that country is more expensive. So Trump was in the past, he was all about having a weaker dollar to try and boost exports and essentially boost the US economy. However, today, big change of tune. He gave an interview this morning. He was talking about loads of things, talking about China, you know, talking hawkish on China, that is, so criticising them, talking about the trade deal, saying he's disappointed in China. But he also made this comment, and he said basically along the lines of, now is a good time to have a stronger dollar. Exactly what that means, not really sure, to be honest, but he was basically seemed to be praising the safe haven properties of the dollar. As a result of these comments, dollar has rallied quite a lot. And one potential reason I think, and we at Freak Network think, that the dollar is rallying is because last year, back when Trump was really critical of the strong US dollar, there was a lot of speculation that the US or the US government would take steps to deliberately try to weaken the dollar. People were thinking they might start selling their dollar FX reserves, thinking all sorts of things that the US government might try and do to weaken the dollar. And last year, and you know, ever since really, there has been that small risk which has weighed slightly on the dollar. So with these comments, for me, Trump has basically taken any such action off of the table, and that does remove, even though it was only a small downside risk for the dollar at the moment, it does remove a downside risk, which is probably why we've seen some of this upside. But another reason why we've seen this upside, guys, before this happened, dollar was on the front foot today anyway. Why? US-China trade tensions. US-China relations are not heading in the right direction. Our members know that because we're updating on the situation every single day. So do check out our memberships because you get a lot more detail and context on everything happening in the markets. That is pretty much it from me for now, and I will see you in the next one.